Okay, we're going to replace the back window latch for a 2004 Pathfinder Armada. As you can see, this one is seen better days, and hopefully the bolts will come off. So this is a 10mm socket. Alright, and that one broke too. All this rust everywhere. So, I'm okay that this broke because it did not break the glass. But you can see how rusted this is. I have no idea how it got so rusted. It's inside the interior of the vehicle. Pop off the other end here. And then we got some rubber gaskets in there. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a bit and put it on pause here so we don't get any drippings on the camera, and clean it up a bit. Alright, so we went ahead and just used some vinegar to clean it up here. And on both sides, I can get up here. So we're going to go ahead and put the new one in. Alright, so we have our latch here where our grip comes underneath. So it's going to be facing downward. It's got little rubber kind of spacers in there to keep the metal from touching the glass. So that hangs in there like so. And then we have these little plastic spacers and washers. It's got a little indent that's going to go upward into the rubber. And then we put this piece on the back, and then we just put our bolts in. About a $16 part. So this is an easy do-it-yourselfer type thing. And we don't want to over-tighten these. We're going to make them snug. Because again, you're putting pressure on this glass. So we're just going to snug them on here. And there we have it. Hopefully as good as new. We'll test it out. So you can see the rust mess that this left. Crazy. Again, Adam must have had a seal issue. Here's our new one. There we go. Easy peasy. Well, I hope you found this helpful, and encourage you to do it on your own if you need it done.